Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Fayette County in north central Georgia, Coweta County in west central Georgia, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Moreland, or near Newnan, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newnan, Peachtree City, Tyrone, Palmetto, Grantville, Whitesburg, Moreland, Sharpsburg, Turin, East Newnan, Plant Eats, Arnco Sargent, Powers Crossroads, Handy, Dunaway Gardens, Carnongate, Roscoe, Thomas Crossroads and Madras. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 8 p.m. in Atlanta, it was mostly cloudy.